This is Harry Vocal, Sound of Australia, the voice off the street. More NRL galoots. In the last 48 hours, it's been exposed that 3 NRL players clearly broke social isolation rules. And two of them have already been fined and only have to pay a part of the fine. And those 2 galoots were out in the desert riding around in trail bikes with no shirts, no helmets, then letting off firearms with no protective gear in small spaces. And these blokes are role models. They don't even have to pay most of the fine. And if it goes further, wait for it, they'll play the race card. We'll wait to see what happens with the other fella. But you at the NRL, you're a bloody joke. You just keep doing it, and no real punishments, like getting the arse forever. That's it, you're finished. The game's in disrepute. It's in disrepute because these dickheads keep doing this stuff and you in management keep letting it go through to the keeper. You're a bloody joke. This is Harry Vocal.